Hello and welcome. Today's video is about how to create a hamper if you're in the UK.
And so whenever we're doing hampers in the UK, we are looking for that. Most luxurious of markets, and this hamper, I think, really demonstrates it. And when you go into that part of the market and you're looking to create your own, you have to buy the finest things there are available, and that means being even fancier than the department stores, because people will buy from them simply because of their brand recognition. So you've got to buy the very finest things that you can find in the deli stores and whatever that have a more powerful story. Then you can create something better. Okay.
Yeah, so let's see, we've got our top layer here. So we've set that to the side because we know we want those products at the forefront whenever we lift the lid. So what is step one?
Yeah, we've split our products into top tier, and secondary tier. So the top tier are everything within this hamper is luxury. Is luxury, are the very finest ingredients. So, but you have a consideration across the top of how you want it to be opened into. So, for instance, say a bar of chocolate like that, which costs several pounds, but people might think to themselves it's cheaper, but it's not. It's very expensive because it is nano chocolate. This is the sort of quality that you have to go into if you're looking to put a professional hamper in the UK nowadays. So we're going to pack the bottom tier very quickly. We've got coffee, which is just freshly roasted from a smaller producer. We've got gluten-free biscuits. We've got handmade chocolates and whatever.
Yeah. What else have we got?
We've got we've got a few little smaller things for
some
taste
traditional
and
items in there, savoury olives, and our traditional kind of handmade oat cookies. So we're not stepping too far away from traditions. This is just a bit more creative and interesting.
Yeah, on the back of every packet is somebody that's prepared to put their name and their brand, and they're saying this is the best job I can do as a producer, and we support that by buying it then, and we say, right, these are our hampers for the UK. And so if you're doing the same thing, urge you to do the same thing. Buy the very best from smaller producers and put it together in a way whereby it is just lots and lots of really nice little stories going on there, that whenever people open their hamper, they're going,
they have multiple stories to explore rather than one company's story. So we've created that base layer, and it's kind of not thrown in, but it's placed in. It's not going to be seen initially, so it doesn't have to have the same approach as the top layer, which we've taken time to make sure it looks outstanding. So now Neil is packing the top, and because we had this pre-planned, we're able to do it a little bit more quickly, but do take time over this step to make sure that you have a real professional look to your basket or your hamper that you're making.
We're lucky. We do this day in and day out, so we're able to keep on putting more expensive things into it because we're able to be. We've got it all planned out, and it's fast for us. But if you're doing it from home, it'll obviously take quite a bit longer. So the things to remember from it are to plan out the top layer from it, buy the very finest things.
And another tip, jars, keep them upright and separate. We've separated ours out so that they're not going to clink and break in delivery.
Usually what happens is I leave sort of like a space between the things, and then I just slot it down like that, you see?
Another
same thing over here.
Of Neil's top tips. Okay, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and want to check out some of our other videos, please do. There's lots of other top tips to be learnt. Thank you for watching.